Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar panels available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Renogy Solar Panel. This Renogy 100 watts monocrystalline starter kit is designed specifically for customers new to solar. The starter kit is great for off-grid applications such as RVs, trailers, boats, sheds and cabins. That providing many benefits, including but not limited to quiet power production and grid independence. Renogy Wanderly is a 38 PWM solar charge controller that integrates efficient PWM charging to increase battery life and improve system performance. It can prevent the battery from overcharge, overvoltage discharge and short-circuit reversed polarity protection. At number 5 we have Renerys Solar Panel. It is made of high-efficient solar cells, tempered solar glass and strong aluminum frame withstand extreme weather conditions. Its visual bright LED indicators help to monitor battery conditions and better understand the status of solar panel and load. It has exclusively equipped 3 working modes for load that allowing to set up the load to work under dusk to dawn automatically plus working hours according to personal requirement. Very practical and useful. The high light transmittance solar glass allows the solar cells absorb more sunlight and increase 2% to 3% power output. The tempered glass increase the ability to stand 2,400 pascals wind and snow load. At number 4 we have ACOPOWER Solar Panel. ACOPOWER 10 watts monocrystalline solar panel is the key component to a system when going solar off-grid system. This solar panels have an IP65 waterproof rating and are not afraid of the elements. The tightly designed panels and waterproof cable boxes are a good choice for outdoor use. These panels are relatively compact and are a breeze to set up. Whether you are going camping in the mountains or taking a trip to the beach, this panel can be a great start to your off-grid system. This panel has several uses including marine dry camp, RVs and other off-grid applications. At number 3 we have Renogy Solar Panel. The Renogy's 50 watts starter kit is specifically designed for customers interested in a smaller solar power system. This starter kit features a Renogy 50 watts solar panel, a Wanderer 10 APWM charge controller, 1 set of Z brackets, a Renogy 20 feet 12 AWG solar adapter kit and a pair of the Renogy 8 feet 12 AWG tray cables. This kit offers a simple electric power solution for off-grid applications such as low-consumption continuous loads. At number 2 we have Poguang Solar Panel. Using high-quality monocrystalline silicon cells, high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells provide good performance even in low-light conditions. This flexible solar panel is a good choice for curved surfaces of RV, boat, sailboat, yacht, truck, car, coach, cabin or any other irregular surface. It is a good supplement for power shortages and places where the city power cannot reach such as mountains, marine deserts, etc. The water-resistant flexible solar panel is far more durable than traditional glass and aluminum models. At number 1 we have CHJ Solar Panel. The 20-watt basic off-grid solar panel kit is ideal for a variety of DC applications including RVs, boats, 12-volt battery and LED lights. It is made with high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells for years of service. This solar kit is easy to install and virtually free maintenance. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar panels for your need.